Light a candle, light a candle. And it's raining pretty hard today here on December 2023. And we're gonna go to the other gauge. We have to show our stamp, I think.
I do have.
Let's see our stamp. So we're here at the train show in North Haledon, 2023. All right, so here comes the Conrail train. There it is. Right?
I think
Look, they're slowing it down. It's down there. You can see it from below. Look, and above.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go? Huh?
Push the button again. Oh! Wow, did you do that? Look at that train. Here it comes, look. Look. Say hello, but don't get it. See that one?
You have that book, Promise to Thank.
I don't watch that anymore.
You don't watch
you
that.
don't
That's
watch
for little
it
kids. Yeah,
anymore.
you don't watch that anymore.
That was funny.
So we're at the train show. Look. This train here, so you can see that. And there it's. Look this way.
Stop it. The train is stopping.
You can play with them. Okay, why was Santa there, Carter? Did you see Santa?
You afraid of Santa? No, are you shy?
All right. So we just came from the model train show in North Haledon, New Jersey.
Mommy has those slippers.
Oh yeah, well she does. Mommy has those slippers. Mommy has those slippers.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah. So. Yep, and down the hallway to the back.